guys, this is Gabby Hacked here, and today I'm gonna show you how to run this script of coin generator. As you can see, you have five set of files, so you need this five set of files to run your script. So I will go back and open my Python. You have to do is go to your pip, write amino.py is equals to 1.2.17. you have to install this, and after that you have to install futures. You have to do these things and install these things, and after it says complete, open your internal storage, then downloads coin generator 2 media fire, and open your accounts.tester. so yeah, this is the script I will be giving it. So yeah, you have to put in your community ID here. If you don't know how to get your community ID, please comment me or DM me in my Insta or Amino. So this is the community of friends worldwide, and yeah, you have to put your community ID in every script, like downloads, generator, mediafire, generator.py. so here also community ID, you have to put your community ID here, then mediafire transfer.py, you have to put your community ID here. So yeah, that's what you should do at first, and save this. So yeah, like community ID, yeah, I will change this community ID to this one is already changed. So yeah, all three have the same community ID. So yeah, that's it. Now we have to open internal storage. Now open your accounts.json file. So you have to put your account information. So that format is like this. I will show you. Just wait. I have actually a lot of accounts, so I will just copy only 3 of them, 3 or 2, and paste it here. So look, this format, this is the format of putting your device IDs and emails and password. This is the format. This is for 2 accounts. If you want more, you should keep comma here at the last, here and put other values like I did this. So yeah, how to get a device ID. So many people like literally were stuck in this device ID stuff, so I will show you how to get the device ID. So yeah, I will copy one account, open my Amino, and log in with this copied ID. So what you have to do is go to this 3 dots, accounts, and turn off your net, change password. When you click on change password, you will get an error page. Yeah, this is the error page. So your device ID is this, long press it. So yeah, till here is your device ID, and the rest of it is your SID. So you don't want that, you only want this. So copy it and you can paste it there, as I showed you in that device ID stuff. Yeah, here you can paste your device ID and just save it. So it's saved. So you now have accounts.json, transfer.py, generator.py all ready. So yeah, you need to do is run this generator.py. So yeah, run this script. Two accounts loaded. Well, before that, you have to do is you can check your accounts if any error is not there in your accounts by running the accounts tester. You should run that first, cause that's like a security measure or some kind of, what you can say, just to see that the accounts are totally working and there's no error in that. Like, the mostly people face problems in the accounts.json file. You have to follow that format of that, first a square bracket, then a curly brackets, and inside that you have a format of writing emails and device IDs and passwords. So yeah, you have to follow that. Mostly people miss a comma or a bracket, so they get an errors. So yeah, it's generating coins. It's giving object IDs, as I said. It's logged in with second account, doing its work. So yeah, this the setup and the running process is very simple. You just need to take care of that accounts.json file and that device.json, where there's a folder named device.json, which is the fifth folder in that file. So you have to change the device ID of that folder also. Well, I showed that in my previous videos. You can check them down in my channel, how to change the device IDs, like in the device.json file. So yeah, mining finished. I have logged in with that ID, so I will just show you that it has generated coins. I mean, it has given objects. Yeah, as you can see, 199.92. That means that it will give you coins after 24 hours. So yeah, that's it. You had generated your coins. Now I will show you how to like get the coins, cause yeah, first of all I will copy this stuff which I like generated a while ago. Like, I generated 24 hours before. These two IDs, they have coins in them. So I will remove this and paste this and save it. Yeah, you can write this in this format also. This format is also correct. There's no wrong in this. So yeah, for transfer.py, what you need is you need an end link. What is an end link? I will show you what's an end link. End link is the blog ID, like the blog. Like, for example, I will show you. This is my community, by the way. You can feel free to join this. I will give a link in the description. So yeah, this is my blog and I am copying its link. So when you copy its link and go to notes, this thing ZO7EHU is the end link of your blog. So when you copy this and put it in this, in between these quotes, paste, so yeah, and save it. When you save this and run the files, so it will give coins from that account to your main account. That Gabby Uchiha was my main account. So coins will be given from these two accounts which I put in my device.json to my main ID in my blog. Okay, request to browser doesn't. Com ID is different because that was a friends worldwide com ID which I had put in. So I will just go to my Amino and search for friends worldwide community. Yeah, I will get the link of my main ID. Let's see. Well, this community has grown a lot. Please feel free to join this community too. It's very active nowadays. So yeah, let's see. This is my main ID, and yeah, I'm copying this link. Copy to the clipboard. Well, I will show you something. So as you can see down here, 58 users gave props to the users. So these all are actually bot users. Like this, actually all these are bot users which gave me coins. So yeah, when you keep your ID active, your ID also goes to level 7 or 6. This is all bot IDs. So yeah, I will go to Python, and I need the end link of my ID here, so I will just paste this, copy the end link, I remove everything like this link, then remove this, copy the end link, save and run. So yeah, the coins will be given to the ID. So that's the use of transfer.py. Transfer.py gives the coins to one main ID in one block. You have to just put is your end link. That end link is your block ID link. So yeah, you have to do that. Well, my network is kinda glitching here right now. It's damn ads. Well, you need a good network connection, as you can see. So it's running like 1 Mbps. Yeah, it needs a good connection. Totally. See, 99 givens coin from this ID. It's the first ID. And yeah, one coin given. Oh, that ID didn't have coins. Only the first ID did have coins. So yeah, the first ID gave me coins, and totally I have 100 coins. So that's the use of transfer.py. Accounts.json, this format is also valid, and the other format which I showed you before is also valid. So yeah, 1 2 3 accounts tester, you can put in your com ID and run this to check if any error is there, and if any error is there, you can contact me in the down links, so I will deal with it. Mostly, and I will post a GC link of my friends and myself, like the Uchiha clan, so you can ask there. So yeah, this is a device .json. So this is your device ID. You can change this device ID with your ID device ID, because actually this device ID is my device ID, so you can't use it for yourself. Maybe it will work for some users, but it will not work for many users, because this script is used by many. So if like a mass people will use this device ID, so it will get crashed and you will no longer be able to use this. So you will prefer you to change this device ID as soon as possible. So yeah, this is the way to run the scripts. You have to put in your com IDs in these three things. First of all, accounts.tester, generator.py, and the third one, you have to put your com ID as well as your blog link of your main ID. So yeah, that's how you generate and get coins. So hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and stay tuned on Gabby Hacked. I'm signing out.